How to fix the issue? Sorry, you have been blocked error for any website. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is over here you can see this search box. Over here type in check for updates. Click on it. Now you have to click on this option of check for updates and update all the pending activities. Now heading towards second solution, you have to click on this search box again and type in firewall and network protection and click on it. You'll see the option of Microsoft Defender Firewall. You have to toggle off for this option. With that, your problem might be fixed. Now heading towards third solution, you have to open the browser that you use for websites. At the top right, you will find three dots. Click on it and head towards the option of extensions and click on the option manage extensions. Now over here, you're gonna find all the extensions that are installed in your browser. If you find any extension that may have been causing this issue, then you can uninstall that extension. Heading towards fourth solution, open a new tab. Click on the three dots given at the top right corner. Now head towards the option of privacy and security, open it. Now check in for all these options and click on this drop down, time range. Set it to all time and then click on the option of clear data. After you do that, your problem might be fixed. Now heading towards very last solution, what you have to do is head back. Scroll down, you will see different options at the left corner. Click on the option of About Chrome. From this page, you can check your browser version. Make sure you are using the latest version. If not, then you can update it. By applying all these solutions, your problem is definitely gonna be fixed. So this is how you can fix the issue. Sorry, you have been blocked error for any website. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.